Baby and Toddler Breathe Easy Kit Sick Day Essentials by Frida Baby is one of the best sellers among baby grooming and healthcare kits products. 3 sick day essentials to tackle snot and congestion so baby can breathe easy. Breathe Effort of the Vapor Wipes for snotty sniffers with benefits of a chest rub and fuss-free wipe form for the on-the-go convenience. Breathe Effort of the Vapor Rub is the soothing no-mess chest balm made with organic eucalyptus and lavender oils for sensitive skin. Breathe Effort of the Vapor Drops can be added to bath water or diffuser as an organic essential oil for sick day comfort. Ready to give, packaged in beautiful box so great gift option for a parent in need. Take a breather. Boogers, snot, mucus, oh my. Give baby a break with the Breathe Easy Kit. Breathe Frida Vapor Wipes clean up pesky boogers on the go, while organic Vapor Rub and Vapor Drops provide soothing relief with natural essential oils that are safe for sensitive skin. Care instructions: the Vapor Wipes do not flush for external use, only in case of eye contact. Rinse with water. Store at room temp with label sealed. Do not place wipe over nose or mouth for extended time. Do not use on irritated or chapped skin. The Vapor Rub, for external use only in case of eye contact. Rinse with water. Do not cover baby's entire body with balm or apply more than 3x per day. This is not a toy. Keep out of reach of children. Replace lid when not in use. The Vapor Drops, for external use only, always dilute in water. Keep out of reach of children. Store at room temp.